Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel where we share quick and practical Excel tips to help you work smarter every day. Today we're diving into one of the Excel's most powerful and popular functions, VLOOKUP. So let's get started. Okay, so VLOOKUP stands for vertical lookup. It's a function that allows you to search for a value in the first column of a table. So for example, here in this table, this is my first column of the table, and return a value in the same row from a different column. So for example, here, this is my source of data. This is a small table, but usually when you use VLOOKUP is because you have a big table. But for my example, I'm going to use this one. So this is my source of data, and here when I type the name, I want Excel to return the age. So for example, here when I type Jesus, I want Excel to return 67. So as you can see, Jesus, the age is 67. And if I type Patricia, for example, I want Excel to return 40. But I don't want to do it one by one, and that's why we're going to use the formula. So I'm going to remove this one, and here I'm going to type the formula. So number one, I'm going to type equal sign, then the name of the formula, VCAP, and then I'm going to open parentheses, and the first thing of the formula is a lookup value. The lookup value is the information that I'm going to type and that I want Excel to find that value in my table. So in this case, the lookup value is Jesus. I can either type Jesus, but this is going to be a fixed value. I don't want that. So I'm going to select the column that I'm going to type. In this case, is age 12. And then I'm going to put a comma. And then the next thing is, okay, where I want Jesus to find the value to find Jesus. Okay, I need to select the table. So I'm going to select this table is where I need Excel to find the information. Now you need to make sure that the first column is the value that I want to search. So for example, Jesus is the name, and name is the first column of my table. So here I have selected the table, and now I'm going to type the comma, and the next thing is the column index number. Okay, in this case I have only two columns in the table, but in case that we have more, like a lot of columns, this is a column that I want Excel to return. In this case, I want Excel to return the second column, so I'm going to type 2 and then comma, and the last parameter of this function is a range lookup. So in this case, if I select true, the system Excel is going to try to find only an approximate match, but I don't want that. I want the exact match. So in this case, I'm going to type false, and I'm going to close parentheses. And as you can see here, when I type Jesus, now my formula is pulling automatically the age. If instead of Jesus I change to Jarelli, for example, you're going to see that Excel automatically brings the value from this table. So I'm going to type Patricia, Alexandro, Manuel, and I want this Excel do the same thing for these values. So the thing that I'm going to do is copy the formula to all the columns. And as you can see here, I don't have Patricia. Oh, this is, as you can see, I have a space, and I told Excel to bring the to find the exact match. So I'm going to remove the space, and now Patricia is here. Okay, I hope this helps you, and thank you so much. Bye.